Good morning, parents. Well, we made it through the first full week of school. So we'll start off with activities first. Today is August 26th, and we have club sign-up day from 3 to 4:30. Your child can take a device and use that device to sign up for their clubs, either their device or borrow someone's, and go ahead and do that. We did cancel performing group classes for today, and we also will have inflatables if they like to participate. We have our sophomores gone today at a zoo community service field trip, so they are at the Chaffee Zoo today. We did also do school portraits on this past Tuesday, so if your child missed their portrait, or by some chance you would like them to wear something different for their school portrait, the makeup day, the retake day, is on October 19th from 11 to 1 p.m. And I will give you guys more details when we get closer, but more than likely we'll probably be in the choir room for that. And then this upcoming Monday, I believe Dr. Moore is having show choir auditions. So if you have any questions about that, you can contact her or go take a look at our school calendar. All right, so now let's talk about calculus. So both AB and BC, a couple questions have come up. First, and that is, AB and BC will not always be on the same topic on the same day. So you'll start to see in the next couple of weeks, BC will start to speed up a little bit as far as their curriculum is concerned. So they won't always be on the same objective on the same day. Okay. Today, I'm in the process of grading their first test. Yesterday, they took their first test in my class, and so I am in the process of grading that. A couple questions have come up about grading. So what I do typically is I grade everybody's question 1 first, then everybody's question 2, then everybody's question 3. And I do that so that I can maintain consistency in giving partial credit out. And so it is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I'm hoping by the end of the day I will have all those exams graded and entered into PowerSchool. The other thing that we are doing today is we are uploading our homework to Gradescope. So all their homework is due by 3 o'clock today. Gradescope is a program. It does not auto grade. So let's be clear, this is not like a Desmos situation. Essentially what happens is the students will take their worksheets and they will take a picture of it and they will upload it to Gradescope. The reason why I'm doing that is because then I don't have to carry papers around. When I want to grade, I can actually grade from my phone. I can grade from my iPad or even my computer. So it allows me, like if I'm waiting for my daughters outside their school, I can grade from my phone while I'm waiting for them. And so it allows me to get homework back and give feedback as quick as possible. And so that's why I use Gradescope. But your child was uploading to Gradescope today. I gave them the entire class period to do that, so that way if they had any questions or any problems uploading, they had the ability to ask me during class. And so all of those are due by 3 o'clock today. Okay, their next quiz, both for AB and BC, is going to be on September 6th, and their next test will be on September 8th. But then next week's weekly update, we'll talk more about those. Now we'll move on to IM2. So IM2, our curriculum started off a little slow, and part of the reason why we did that is because not everybody took IM1 here at UHS with Mr. Mondragon and myself. And so what we're trying to do is, between me, Mr. Murillo, and Mr. Mondragon, we're trying to make sure that everybody has the same foundation. So we did start off a little slower. We started repeating some IM1 curriculum because we just want to make sure that our sophomores and our freshmen start off with the same foundation in IM2. Their first quiz is this Thursday, this upcoming Thursday, and it will be a group quiz. So let's be clear about group quizzes. They are quizzes. They're going to go into the homework category. They will not go into the exam category. We made a decision as a department that we will not put group quizzes into the exam category, that the only thing that will go into the exam category are individual exams. And so no group quizzes will go into that category. Okay, their first test on Unit 1 will be on September 6th, and then we're going to do a post-diagnostic test on September 7th. And so I will be talking to the students this week about what's going to be on there, how to study for it, how to best prepare for it. And then in my weekly update next week, we'll talk more about that as well. Okay, so now hopefully your child has had a great first week of school, first full week of school. Again, if you ever see anything that you think I should be aware of, any concerns or questions that you have about the class, please feel free to send me an email or send me a remind message, and I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching my weekly video, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.